Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can create a page on WordPress website. Let's start. Here I'm on an empty website, there is no pages, and if you go to the front end, it's only there is no page. This is not a page, it shows the recent posts. So the site is totally empty. To create a page you have to go to the pages here and then click on add a new page. And then here you have the option to add the title. Let's say this is a home page. Actually, very simple. You can publish the page, and that's it. The page has been created, and you can start building the page. It depends. You want to build it with WordPress itself, or you want to use a page builder plugin like Elementor or Divi or any other page builder. Okay, let's say you want to build here something fast. You can add an image. I just show you, this is not a tutorial on how to create a page, just create a demo page here. Okay, so this is a page, you can put it in the middle, align it how you want. You can add also here by clicking the plus, you can add text. You can say like this is a home page. You can put this also align it in the middle, and you can put more text and everything. Okay, and you can click save every time you add something on the page, and you can view the page here by clicking this icon, and this is the page. Okay, it's not something exciting, it's just the first page on the website. Now if you go to here, you go back to the pages by clicking this icon, and then we see here on the all pages we have one page. You can edit the page by clicking edit page, or you can quick edit, which means you can change here the title or the slug. The slug is the URL. For example, the site here is testing.terradigital.com/homepage. Okay, and you can change this here, and you can make it turn it back to pending or draft, or keep it published, and here you can click update. This is a quick edit, but you can fully edit by clicking edit. Let's open it in a new tab, and then you are in the same environment and you can edit the page. Okay, so let's go back and create one more page. Go to add new page. Let's say this is about us. Okay, you click publish, and the slug will be exactly the same with the page title, but you can change it anytime. You go here and you can name it not about us, about our company. Okay, and you can click update, and now this is the slug will be used. If you visit the page, view page, you can view it. You see here the slug is the domain name / about our company. Okay, this is how you can easily edit. There is nothing of course in the page, but you need to build it, but this is how you create the pages. And you can create many pages, and then you can delete them, you can edit them, or you can keep them as if you don't want to be published for a while or for some reason. You choose the draft here, and then you click update. So this page now is a draft, is not published. If you are still working on it and it's not ready, okay. So you have these options about the pages. Let's say we create one more. Let's say this is contact us. Okay, you can have a contact us page, you can have a contact form there. I will make video to show everything, how you can create everything. Just this is a simple video about how you can just create a page. Create, edit, or delete. Let's say if you want to delete a page, you just click trash, and now the page is on the trash. Okay, it's not anymore on the published. You go to trash and you have the option or to restore it and have it back, or you can delete it permanently. In this case, we don't want to delete it, we want to restore it. So we have 3 pages on the website. We go to published, go to all, and we have 2 in draft and 1 as published. Let's say let's publish everything. Quick edit, here published, update, and here again published, update. There are many things to show how to then create and customize the pages, but this is a short tutorial about how you can just create the pages, edit them, or delete them. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.